In July 2018, a few of us rode through the Himalayas, a bucket list trip for any rider. Join us as we ride from Jispa to Leh in this video from the Biker Crew, UAE. With a 13-hour ride ahead of us, we left Jispa at the crack of dawn. Yes, it was cold, but we had the road to ourselves, and this made the going really easy. We didn't even encounter any major water crossings, since the usual glacial melt doesn't begin till later in the day. Barlachla was socked down with wind, rain and fog. It is the second time that I have been through that pass, and it was the same last time around as well. It really seemed like I was destined not to see the sunshine over that pass. But we stopped for a cup of tea, and that raised our spirits and kept us warm enough to continue. At the bottom of the Barlachla Pass, we came across our first major water crossing. Thankfully, it hadn't rained too hard higher up the mountain, and the glacial melt hadn't started yet either, so our crossing was relatively easy, and everyone got through without any incident. The KTM was unfazed by the water and plowed through with ease. The rugged beauty of this land is hard to put into words, and it really must be seen to believed. Even the video or the pictures really don't do it justice. On this part of the leg, the tarmac road, they felt like a distant memory. As the miles rolled by, it just seemed like dirt and gravel on and on. On a positive note though, the sun did begin to poke through the clouds, and that changed the colors of the landscape. Yes, I'm sure you noticed it too. Tarmac! After a great many miles of loose gravel and dusty roads, we were back on glorious, smooth asphalt. Or even though it didn't last long, it allowed me to put the KTM through its paces and open her up for a bit. Our second water crossing of the day was uneventful. It was rather easy, and a short while later we were held up at a bridge as the people from Bro were fixing it. It took me a while to figure out that Bro was not a person but rather the Border Roads organization. Anyway, this little delay gave us some time to lie in the sun and catch some rays.
We're stuck over here because, let's show you, they're fixing the bridge.
Yeah, so Tiffany, not over 70. Be careful because those ditches.
And Tiffany is enjoying herself in the sunshine.
After lunch at Pang, we hit the Moreh Plains. Flanked on either side by towering mountains, these plains seem to stretch on into infinity. And a single road that ran down the middle was our path to the high point of today's ride.
Alright folks, we're coming to Taglangla. It's over there. Let's go.
Yes, let's go. Climbing up to 17,582 feet was taking a toll on us. The altitude headache had begun and breathing was getting harder. And wearing a balaclava inside the helmet did not exactly help the situation. The bikes, on the other hand, were performing flawlessly. No issues as the air got thinner. Don't you just love fuel injection?
Biker Crew UAE has made it to the top. Sena. This is just coming by the bottom of the Taglangla Pass.
The village of Rumtse, situated at the bottom of the Taglangla Pass, was the perfect spot to stop for a cup of tea. And the tea was made by intrepid guide Rahul Rana, who took over the kitchen and insisted that he made the tea for us. It was a good cup of tea. And so we made it to Leh, where we had 2 days to acclimatize, because we were headed up to the highest motorable pass in the world, Khardungla.
Next time, we head to the Nubra Valley over the mighty Khardungla Pass. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out, and turn on notifications as well. As always, ride safe, and I'll see you on the road.